Dear friends, my name is Venkatasivakumar. I have been appearing before the Honble Madras High Court since 2011. I am actually a chartered accountant and I have been in teaching. And thereafter, in 2005, I started studying law, and I have done LLB, and then I did masters in constitutional law. But that is one education, formal education of law. But I was appearing before the Honble Madras High Court with great passion. I would like to tell you that one day Honorable Justice M.M. Sundaresh, he is now in Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court of India. 2 points I would like to say about what the Honorable Judge said in the open court. He told me, I appeared on reforms in education system, pills and all. He told in the open court that Mr. Shivkumar, you appear more than a senior advocate. Almost every day you are appearing before this court. And I appreciate that you come very well prepared. It's very easy you assist the court so well, so that it's very easy to pass orders. You come with research. Another time, Honorable learned Solicitor General Shankar Narayanan, a close friend of mine, a great, very senior personality, very learned legend. That case was, I filed against one Tariq, adjudicating authority of NCLT. Against him, I filed criminal contempt petition for his, over misuse of justice administration system. Then he took objection. M.M. Sundaresh J told him, Venkatasivakumar, anything he does with preparation. And he is a learned person. What is wrong? If somebody is doing something wrong, then it's duty of others to bring it to the notice of this court. Let him file the counter, then we will decide. That is the background. Since then I have been appearing on many cases, constitutional validity, pills and personal interest litigations. Large number of cases. And thereafter, I have been appearing in the National Compil Tribunal, National Compil Appellate Tribunal, almost on a daily basis. More than 1,000 petitions I would have appeared for. Now, why should I do this now? I want to share these thoughts and for the students, final year students of law, young lawyers, and how to successfully plead your case. How to successfully plead your case. This is a very difficult, being a chartered accountant, being a teacher, being insolvency professional, running companies and all. I realized that lawyering is the most difficult profession. You need to master the skills. So, I want to share, I want to help you, and I want to make it a big lecture, not just 5 minutes lecture. Whoever is interested, but I promise you, dear friends, this will be of greatest use to you. I want it to be of greatest use to you, and you all should, young budding lawyers should become great lawyers. That is the purpose of this case. Now, I am talking about a case, a writ petition filed in 2013 before Honble Madras High Court, and that matter came up for hearing in 2000, just a month ago, 2 months back, and I won that case. So, a period where it started when I am just novice, I don't know anything. From there to, the opponent is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Disciplinary Committee. This institute has got such big, huge funds. They can spend on lawyers per hearing 5 lakhs. Top lawyers will come and appear for them. And then they would have handled it so well. But at the end of the day, I won this case. A disciplinary jurisdiction exercised by ICAI has been quashed and then remitted back to them to redo the inquiry, which I will show you. And the case, I would like to take you as if you are a very normal lawyer, young lawyer, from there to a seasoned lawyer, and ultimately there may be a case, you may have case, surely winnable case, but doesn't mean you will win. Secondly, the judge should feel that you have a case. It's not necessary, sufficient. Your arguments are far superior than the opponent's arguments. And finally, when he writes the judgment, he doesn't remember. There may 100 cases will be there. Therefore, you will have to present your case, give a written submissions, and make it so easy for the honorable judge to understand, remember, and then pass the orders. So much is there. Winning a case is not just you have a case, factually you are perfect, but in such a short time, in a writ petition that comes before a honorable High Court, there will be per day 100 cases. I can tell you the case, this is 80th case, item number 80 in a day. And you see how the judge has passed the order. And it is a real experience, dear friends. I want to share it. And as a layman, how I approached, and thereafter acquired knowledge, and finally how you should plead according to law. Going on telling facts in a writ petition will not work. Civil proceedings will be different, and criminal proceedings will be different, and writ proceedings will be different, and proceedings before tribunals will be different. You understand? It's like cricket, kabaddi and carom board. You can't apply the same technique. So how to win a case and how to go about this? I am coming to 22 January. This case came up before Honorable S.M. Subramaniam J. So, whenever a case comes before a judge, the first step is you must know about the judge. You must know about the judge by reading about his profile, his judgments, and then learn from the media people. I have a lot of friends in media, everybody are my friends, and so that is very important. Then you should observe his proceedings, based on which you should decide whether you can make out a case before the judge. First rule number 1. This is what I have learnt. Rule number 1.